by
Jamaica,
lawmen
watch this.
in a reported running gun battle in Bog Walks in Catherine this afternoon.
Now, TVJ News understands that a fifth suspect was killed hours later in the vicinity of the G.C. Foster College.
Now, the first incident caused a pileup of traffic along some alternative routes as detectives processed the scene and searched for additional suspects.
Here's Sandy Williams with that report.
Motorists arrived to the gate of the Bog Walk Gorge in St. Catherine closed Tuesday afternoon. This time around, the gorge did not overflow its banks due to heavy rainfall. Instead, it was the result of an active crime scene. To access the spot, our news team drove to the Linstead entrance, but even then the area was cordoned off, with investigators meticulously combing the scene. According to reports, there was a raging gun battle between gunmen and the police who were attempting to intercept a vehicle believed to be the getaway car in a previous shooting incident. The gun battle ended in this spot. 4 men were fatally wounded and a policeman was injured. 2 firearms were recovered. A fifth suspect who escaped was hours later fatally shot in the vicinity of the G.C. Foster College. It's understood that the man challenged the police who were closing in on him when he was shot. A firearm was recovered. The police have been tight-lipped about the details of the operation. Up to news time, the men were not identified. Indicom is investigating.
Comment your thoughts, like, and follow Feed the latest Jamaica news as it drops.